Good morning. It's snowing. You can't tell. It's snowing. I've got two big pieces of countertop here, and I'm gonna see if I can drag one of these down the stairs by myself and give myself a counter so I can make breakfast on a counter instead of on my coffee table. Okay, so there's only so much a Snapchat filter can do when you look this bad. But anyway, I've got it in the kitchen, kinda, and in the hallway, kinda, and a little bit down these stairs. But these stairs are small. I guess we'll see. We'll see. You know what? Maybe I'll set my phone up at the bottom of the stairs so you can watch me fall down the stairs with this. That'll be fun. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, this is not gonna work. This isn't gonna work! I have to... So, I was able to pivot it and turn it up. And now I've got it facing down the stairs like a fucking projectile. And I don't know what I'm gonna do once I get it to the bottom. I think I'm gonna have to take the fucking railing down and bring it over. I'm gonna have to take all this shit off. Alright, we're doing it again. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, just one step at a time, eh? I'm so scared I'm gonna put a hole in the wall. Or in my body somehow. Oh my god, no, I skipped a step. Oh my god, we're going down! Ah! Ah! Okay. Ow. I think I just broke my toe. Ow! Okay. I think I'm gonna try to bring it no, it's so heavy. No. Okay, here, wait. I gotta. I don't know what I've done. I can't believe you done this. Fuck. The railing has to come off. Nothing can happen until I take the railing off because I fucked up. So I know for a fact that we just took these off and put them back on again. And this screw is fucking stripped. So look at it. It's basically a fucking square. So that's not coming out. I gotta get the countertop over the railing. Bottom line, it's gotta go over the railing. Oh, this sucks. I'm sweaty. Alright, attempt number... whatever. Oh, fuck. Okay. Maybe if I... I gotta get it back up the stairs a little bit. Fuck, this is such a pain in the ass. Now... Oh, the ceiling is too high! Fuck! I mean, low. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my titty's out. So this is what I've got. It's touching the wall right here. And it's touching the ceiling right up there. I don't know where to go from here. I've made a mistake. I can't move or else it's gonna fall. My arm is bleeding. My foot is bleeding. I'm stuck. Okay, so I got it past this little corner area. So I think now I can get it clear of the ceiling. Ooh. I'm getting it done. All right, let's see. Oh, we're so close. Oh, shit. All right, okay, I've got it leaning on this dresser, which is literally like 150 years old, so it really shouldn't be leaning on the dresser. Oh, I'm like 2 inches shy of... I had to stop what I was doing to restart the video. Okay. Alright, I gotta start rearranging furniture. I'm hitting this end table. That's gotta go. It's gotta go somewhere else. Okay. I have no idea why I'm recording this the long way instead of the wide way when this is... I could have put this on YouTube, but now I can't. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, the cat has to move. Cat. Cat. You gotta move. You gotta move. No, I guess right there is fine. I guess that's fine. Just you guys aren't helping at all. Whew. Okay, so that countertop is 10 feet wide. So I'm gonna try to space my two cabinets, because I only have the two cabinets, out so that I can put it on top of there. And it's cut at a diagonal though, so it's only 95 inches from the diagonal. So I don't know if I should just have the diagonal piece hanging off the end or what. But I guess we'll see. We'll see when we get there. Okay, now I gotta get this up there. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay. Ow. I did it! I did it! I did it! It's not glued down, but I fucking did it! I did it.